Max. Max and Ruby. Ruby and Max.
Hi friends, how are you today? Today I'm going to show you guys how to do a really fun art project about bunnies, and I'm going to show you how to make Max and Rubies. So I'm going to show you how to do a Ruby first, and then I'm going to show you how to do a Max. So check down below and I'll leave the time that it starts making Max. So if you'd rather make Max, you can skip to that part, or you can watch me make a Ruby and then I'm going to make a Max. Something I wanted to show you guys really quick is that you get to use all your own colors. So any color you like, you can use. This Ruby, I did purple and violet red. This Ruby, I did green. And this Ruby, I did pink. So you get to choose your own colors. So in the video, I made this one and I held up a purple, but you might want pink or orange or yellow. You get to choose your own favorite colors for these. Same thing with Max. You guys, today I made you this Max with blue overalls and an orange shirt, Miramani Max. But you might want to make one just like how he is in the show. And in the show, he has a red shirt. Or you might want to make yellow and blue. Or maybe you want to have purple overalls. I don't care, you get to make it however you want. Something that's special about Max is that he's always sneaky. He's always being silly. So Max, I kind of made him look like he's smirking with his eyes off to the side, like he's up to no good. I tried to make him look sneaky and clever. So if you guys want to make your Max like that too, I'm going to show you in the video how to make his eyes just like this. So keep watching. See you soon.